Welcome back, guys. And in Samsung Mobile, there is one very important hidden strong feature I'm going to tell in this video. And if you are turning on that feature, you will not find any lag glitches, and your mobile will run smoothly. Performance will be improved. You can manage memory and optimize your phone performance. Phone will run smoother. So not wasting much of your time, if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. And just going to the topic, go to the settings and then go to the battery and device care. Where is it? This is here, and here you can optimize first from here, and then earlier it was coming here means but now just tap on three dots here, go to automation, and here auto optimize daily, just turn it on. See what is written here: it will optimize your phone automatically once in a day. If this is selected, close app to free memory. If this is selected, suppose, means you can turn it off or turn it on. If it is turned on, then background apps will be closed at the time of auto optimization, but not your most recently used apps. So your phone will only be optimized if your screen is off or your phone is not in use. That is also very good thing. So for best use of results, please schedule the time. That time, if you are not using your phone, I have scheduled it at 3 a.m. So after this, and you can also auto restart at set times. At that time, the screen the phone only restart when screen is off. You can do, and you can set time here whatever you like. So it will optimized and restarted, and after that you can also do this auto scan for malware to keep your phone safe and to keep your performance of your phone uh, good. So after that, your phone performance will be much smoother, phone will run much smoother, and your performance will be improved. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do share with your family and friends. Please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.